All right, we are live here in South Bryan County. Hi, I'm Joey McWilliams. This is BCP Live. This is an on location. It's a special holiday edition, I guess, on a very special Blossom. No, this isn't Blossom, but it's a special edition of BCP Live, and I'm excited to be here. Tell us who you are and what you're doing here.
I'm Elizabeth McKenzie, and I'm cashiering at Fireworks World today.
Why would you be cashiering at Fireworks World? What are you doing?
It's a fundraiser for the band.
For the band? For
Yes, sir.
Durant Band?
Yes, sir.
All right. I knew that already, but, I wanted to see if she knew that, too. Listen, the Pride of Durant has been doing this for quite a while now, and Elizabeth has on a shirt from 2019, so I know you've been doing it at least 2 or 3 years, right?
This would be my 4th year.
4th year. Does that make you a senior?
Yes, sir.
All right. Class of 2022. How's that feel?
A little scary. Don't feel that old quite yet.
Okay. That's all right. So you've been doing this for a while. All right. Really quickly, let me tell you that right now, of course, you can probably see there's a lot of activity going on behind us because there have been people here, almost around the clock. Right now, when I came in just a few moments ago, because 3 of the little Patriot kids are here, and they're working today. All 3 are working on this shift, interestingly enough. 50 cars. There were at minimum 50 cars in the parking lot. Now, a couple of them might be like mine that, people have parked to come in and work and stuff like that. Still, 50 cars, that's a lot.
Yes, sir, it is.
Okay, you guys have had a lot of big sales too, right?
Yeah, we have a ton of big sales today. Even if it's busy and we're sold out of a lot of our bigger stuff, we've had a ton of large sales. Most of my sales have been over $200 today.
Wow, that is incredible. Now, I know that I've driven by some places on the way from Durant down here. We are in South Bryan County right now, and of course we are just before, if you're headed south on 6975, it's just before the Colbert city limit sign. So if you see the Loves, you see the Love sign there ahead of you. If you make it all the way to Loves, you've gone too far. So it's right there. So we're here in South Bryan County on the way from Durant down here, and I live on the north side of Durant. Then I saw a lot of places where, it was pretty much empty today already, and we're headed for that right here.
I've had a bunch of people actually come in today, tell me they've been driving around town for 2 or 3 hours telling that every fireworks stand they've been to has been sold out today.
Wow. Now, you can see behind us, you see some of the shelves that were at one point in time, those were full. And I was here earlier, got to be a part of the group helping with the kids and, loading and getting all the things in 2 or 3 weeks ago. All those shelves were full. And you can see back there right now that they are absolutely not so much full. And that's all your responsibility, right? You did it all. You sold every one of them, didn't you?
Yes, I did.
There we go. All right. So, okay. Well, maybe Elizabeth didn't sell all of them. But you've been a big part of this. So you've been doing this for a while. Is it a lot of fun?
It is. This is one of my favorite fundraisers that we do all year.
It really is cool. And by the way, for the Pride of Durant, which I still say, and I've heard saying this before, I'm going to say it again, I believe that the Pride of Durant is the most decorated, the most award-winning organization in a 100-mile radius. So with that kind of weight on your shoulder then, to talk about, it's pretty cool to have a fundraiser like this because you guys do a lot.
Yeah, this is definitely my favorite fundraiser.
So what all do you do over the course of a year then that would warrant a fundraiser like this?
Not sure.
Yeah, the football games and the competitions?
Yeah. We do the football games and the competitions, and we have we go on trips, of course, that we go and compete at too. And we do a lot of contests, and we do jazz band and all the other extracurriculars that most bands do.
And it really is. The Pride goes all over the place. And have you, one place in particular, where's your favorite place to have gone?
I would say probably either Tiger Palooza or OBA, and Tiger Palooza is always at ECU, and OBA is one of our bigger contests where we compete with like the big bands.
Yeah, it really is. It's a lot of fun. So with that in mind, and the fact that we are literally, almost selling out while we're standing here talking. There's still a lot of stuff here to be sold. Would you say there's more big stuff or small stuff right now?
I would say there's definitely more small stuff. I was talking with Dina earlier, and she was saying she's sold out of like bigger staple items like Excalibur that she has never seen sold out before.
So there's enough here that if you came out, then that would be fine. You're probably, but I wouldn't wait.
Yeah.
That's the thing, though. If you're watching this now and you're planning on going, well, let's go out before they pop fireworks tonight, do the big thing when it gets to be dusk. It's probably going to wait too long.
Yeah. If you come out now, you can definitely get away with getting some bigger cakes, but I wouldn't wait if you want bigger fireworks tonight.
All right, Elizabeth, what do you play in the band?
I play trumpet.
Trumpet. All right, that's cool. How many years have you played trumpet?
6 years.
6
Yes,
years.
sir.
Okay, that is really cool. And any song in particular you like playing in the stands, because football season is like right around the corner. I mean, it's going to be marching band time very, very quickly, and you won't have the comfort of this air-conditioned building out there when band camp rolls around in like less than a month. Oh my
Yeah.
goodness, are you surprised it's that close?
I'm genuinely shocked it's that close.
So what's your favorite stand tune?
To play in the stands, probably Seven Nation Army or Land of a Thousand.
All right, that is cool. We want to play that a lot in the stands this year, and we want everyone obviously to come out, and we want to watch football. I definitely want to watch football too. Okay, so invite folks to come out then.
All right, you guys should all come out tonight and buy a bunch of fireworks.
There you go. You did it. That is great. That was simple and to the point. I would have talked a lot longer. A lot longer. And if you've watched this show of time, then you know that I talk a lot longer. And Mrs. Patriot somewhere feels a disturbance in the force right now, because I know she thinks that I'm probably talking too much. Anyway, everybody come out here. This is a place to be. I told you all on BCP Live that I would be. This is one of the stands that I would be promoting for sure. If there's some place you want me to promote next year, please let me know. Comment section, things like that. But this is definitely something that is worth your while, because this really is going to help. Now, granted, I mean, they make money. The folks who are in Fireworks World, they make money too. But there's a lot that is going toward one of our local organizations here in Bryan County. It's a prosperous organization. Chris and Leslie Gregg have been doing this for a long time. There's an old joke in there somewhere, I'm sure. But they've been doing it for a long time. They represent our town, our county, our area well, and they lead kids well. I think they do a good job.
They definitely do a good job.
All right, so Elizabeth invited you all to come out, so there's no reason not to come now. It's Fireworks World. We're on 6975. That's where this is located, right here. And again, if you're headed south from Durant or anywhere in the north part of Bryan County, then you go right before the Colbert signal limit sign. It's just directly south of the Peanut Shack. So shop. They're peanuts. Anyway, if you go to the Loves, you've gone too far. If you're coming up from the north, past the Loves, that's where it is. So you guys come on out. Oh, and by the way, one other thing, and I'll say this, I'll let Elizabeth say it too. Happy 4th of July. It is a fantastic day. You know, we're blessed. We're really blessed to be here. I heard somebody say today, I've already won the lottery because I was born in this country. So, want to know some happy 4th?
Happy 4th of July, and God bless America.
All right. Couldn't have said that better. Happy 4th of July. God bless you. God bless America. Remember, be wise, walk in love, and do not live in fear. I'm Joey McWilliams. Thanks for watching BCP Live. God bless you, and have a happy and a safe 4th of July.